kept a few souvenirs from my former life. The heady days of space piracy. But even an infinite improbability drive requires coordinates, which I happen to have. You don't get something for nothing, Zephyr. You must bring me something in return.
What?
A gun.
A gun?
Very special gun, designed by the greatest computer ever invented. But the only way to find it is to go to my roof there.
Fine. I'll get your gun. Just give me the coordinates.
And what will you give me to ensure your return?
My word as president.
No. I need a hostage. Only, what does they thought people Brock's treasure?
Come on.
Oh no! Hey, take it easy now. Think about this before you do.